Hey guys, I want to give you a farm tour because the one I did yesterday, my iPod had died, so it wasn't that good. But yeah, I know it's really bright. It's just, like extra bright today. So first off, I want to show you this barn. This is where the rabbits and my horse. My rabbits always stay here. My horse usually does, but she's gone right now. So I just have junk, a big bucket. And then I have a garbage can. There's a tap room and a feed room, which I don't want to go in because they're creepy. And then I have this little storage shed here. This used to be cross ties, but we just put storage stuff. You can see the rope. That's why the rope's there. And then there's her big, gigantic stall. And then here's the rabbit hutch. There's just another stall over there. It's full of wood. And we just have junk. And then there's a pasture here. And a pasture. There's 2 or 3 pastures. Yeah, there's 3 pastures back there. Then there's the hay barn. I'll walk a little bit over here. The stock trailer. And there's a tree. That's my aunt's house. And in order to get this way out of the barn into the brightness, there's no shadow. And there's just junk over here. And then more view of the pastures.